Yo, a century worth of knowledge in my noggin, gotta put it to use. Not enough the politicians picking pockets of you, slandering names. It's all the game until it happened to you. You can't handle it in the rain like we demanded some truth. It feel like nightmares when facing real life. Feel like I care too much to ever feel right. Feel like me, feel like summer and feel like dreams. But I'm known to never rest until I feel my peace. You feel me? I'm trying to make a name in this life, expecting us to play the same when they don't ever play right. They cheating. Fuck, I'm trying to keep my family eating while I'm still breathing. I never quit, I'm known to grind all seasons. Like rain, sleet, hail, snow, I feel fine. Will it ever break me? No, I will rise, I promise. And I intend to keep me honest, making conscious connections solid. That's the way we move on. But like, yo, I learned to watch my back. I learned that freedom in America's a privilege that some never have.